What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay Billease loan with GCash. So you might be wondering how to exactly pay your Billease loan here through GCash. Well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first, you want to open up GCash here and just log into your account. Now next is you want to go and just choose the bill option or bills option here to see at the center of your screen. Now once you press this, it should redirect you to the pay bills page. Now, you want to go ahead and just click on the search billers at the very top here and just basically type in Billease. Now, in here, you want to go and choose Billease. Now, in the Billease pay bill section, what you need to do is you want to provide necessary details, like, for example, the loan amount or the amount that you need to pay here, your loan ID number, your account name, mobile number, and email. Now, it is necessary that you make sure that all the information here, especially the loan ID number and account name here, matches what you are paying for. But in this case, once you confirm your account here and the details, you can go and just go to the very bottom here and just click on next here and just confirm a few things in order for you to make the payment into your Billease loan. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.